Imagine a journey where each breath you take brings you closer to a state of calm and flexibility you never thought possible. Today, we delve into the world of yoga, a practice that has the power to change your life in ways you might never have imagined. Whether you're seeking to enhance your physical health, manage stress, or find a deeper connection with yourself, yoga offers something for everyone. Introduction to yoga. Yoga is not just about twisting your body into impossible shapes. It's a holistic approach to well-being that harmonizes the mind, body, and spirit. Originating in ancient India, yoga has evolved into various forms and practices, each offering unique benefits. The benefits of yoga. 1. Enhancing flexibility. With consistent practice, you will notice a gradual loosening of muscles, allowing your body to move more freely and reducing the risk of injuries. Poses such as downward dog, forward bend, and pigeon pose are particularly effective in stretching tight muscles and enhancing overall flexibility. 2. Reducing stress. Yoga offers a sanctuary from this chaos, providing tools to manage and reduce stress. Through breath control, pranayama, meditation, and mindful movement, yoga helps to calm the nervous system, lower cortisol levels, and promote a sense of inner peace. 3. Strength building. Many poses require you to support your own body weight in different ways, which helps to develop muscle strength and endurance. Poses like plank, warrior IE, and boat pose are great for building core strength and stability. 4. Improved posture. Yoga helps to correct alignment and improve posture by strengthening the muscles that support the spine. As you practice poses like mountain pose and bridge pose, you will become more aware of your body's alignment, leading to better posture both on and off the mat. 5. Enhanced mental clarity. Yoga encourages mindfulness and presence, which can significantly enhance mental clarity and focus. Through practices like meditation and breathwork, yoga helps to clear the mind of clutter and distractions, allowing for improved concentration and cognitive function. Getting started with yoga. 1. Find a beginner-friendly class. Many studios offer introductory courses that cover the basics of yoga poses, breathing techniques, and meditation. Online platforms like YouTube also have a plethora of beginner-friendly yoga videos. 2. Focus on your breath. Learn to synchronize your breath with your movements, which helps to keep you grounded and present. Practice deep, diaphragmatic breathing to maximize the benefits of your yoga practice. 3. Listen to your body. Avoid pushing yourself into painful positions. Instead, focus on gradual progress and listen to what your body needs. 4. Consistency is key. Aim to practice a few times a week, even if it's just for 15-20 minutes. Over time, you'll notice improvements in your flexibility, strength, and overall well-being. Essential yoga poses for beginners. Here are some foundational yoga poses that are perfect for beginners. 1. Mountain pose, Tadasana. This standing pose is the foundation for all other poses. It helps improve posture and balance while promoting a sense of grounding. 2. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. A staple in many yoga practices, this pose stretches the hamstrings, calves, and shoulders while strengthening the arms and legs. 3. Warrior II, Virabhadrasana II. This powerful pose strengthens the legs and arms, opens the hips and chest, and improves focus and balance. 4. Child's pose, Balasana. A restorative pose that provides a gentle stretch for the back, hips, and thighs. It's also a great way to relax and release tension. Subscribe now, hit the notification bell, and join us as we continue to explore the transformative power of yoga and other wellness practices.